Hey guys, Tammy here with Along for the Ride, and today we are going to do some Crock-Pot chicken and noodles. We've had a few family members that have been under the weather lately, so I thought I'd make them some chicken and noodles to get them back on their feet, and Crock-Pot's my best friend, so I'm going to put it to work today. I would like to add that this is not my personal recipe. I did find it online. I will link below. It's the Crock-Pot comforting chicken and noodles if you Google that, but that's how I found it. But I will link below the recipe and put it in the comments. What you will need for this recipe is 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. The recipe that I was looking at, this is not my recipe, by the way. I don't take credit for it. You can find it on the internet pretty much anywhere under Comforting Chicken and Noodles Crock-Pot. I will provide the link to the one I am using. I am going to do a little variation and add peas and carrots to this. But anyway, what you will need is 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. The recipe calls for 2 cans of chicken broth, but I just had this one large one, which is 32 ounces. I'll just use that and kind of gauge my liquid accordingly, but it's going to be pretty close to the same. Then you'll need a stick of butter, 1 pound of chicken breast. This is what I had in the freezer, so I'm going to use that. And 1 package of frozen egg noodles. I use Reames. This is 24 ounce. These taste like homemade. They are really, really good. You can find them in the freezer section. So, let's get started. We will come back in 6 or 7 hours and shred the chicken, then add the Reames noodles and a little bit of peas and carrots. Alexa, set a timer for 6 hours.
6 hours, starting now.
Okay, so we'll come back and check on it in 6 or 7 hours. Take the chicken out, shred the chicken, add the Reames noodles and a little bit of frozen peas and carrots, and should be delicious. Alright, so I've taken the chicken out and shredded it with 2 forks. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm gonna go get my nails done. One huge benefit of the Crock-Pot is you come home and dinner's done. Yeah, because these nails are in serious need of help. Since I get my nails done at Walmart, I thought I'd hit the clearance section. Not bad. On sale, $5, regularly $9. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with my nails. Typically I do blue, but I thought since we're going into the holidays, I would go with a little bit more of a festive color for November and December. I don't know what I'll do, but this is what we're doing for November. Alright, so I got a little care package ready to go deliver to my daughter. Chicken and noodles and some Hawaiian rolls. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a like, and we will see you in the next video.